if you want to plumb the depths of who you really are and to be able to fulfill the contracts that you made with yourself and with your guides before you came into this lifetime, it is my gift and my great privilege to support you in becoming all that you can be and fulfilling your life's purpose. I am looking for students who are passionate about healing and about the vibratory tools, light, colors, sound, crystals, and aromatherapy. Students who understand that illness is just the tip of the iceberg. And if we can tackle what's underneath as an opportunity for personal and spiritual growth, to stay truly healthy long, long into our old age. At the age of 75, I know that I have some amazing gifts to offer to you. My name is Joy Gardner, and I am the founder and director of the RMA Mystery School. That's Rejuvenation, Manifestation, and Ascension, and the Vibrational Energy Coach Certification Program. If you would like to become part of a group of people who meet weekly on the internet, in person, and who can talk about anything and feel safe, and you will also have an opportunity to come to Hawaii for 11 days to do in-person classes and actually get to know your classmates. If this intrigues you, if it sounds familiar, if it makes your heart sing, then go to my website at RMA Mystery School under Contacts and fill out the questionnaire, and I will contact you to set up an interview. Namaste. I honor the spirit within you. Aloha.